Hi friends, welcome to the channel Avi Tech EE. Today I am going to explain about SAP Business Warehouse. What is SAP Business Warehouse? Let me show. Here it is a diagram represents the overview of Business Warehouse. In this diagram, it seems that data warehouse. The first block represents the operational systems and integration layer, data warehouse, data marts and strategic marts. In operational systems, there is having marketing and sales, ERP, SCM and external data. In integration layer, it seems that ODS and staging area. Coming to data warehouse. Data vault. Data vault means the data vault, it represents that a bunch of data, a bulk amount of data is stored. Data mods and strategic mods. Here the operational system which represents the how to do the marketing and how the sales will be going on, and ERP's SCM external data. This external data is again given to the integration layer, and all this entire data is given to the data warehouse. In this data warehouse, the entire data, the whatever the data we are collected the data is stored in data vault, and this data vault data is transferred to data mods and strategic mods. See, this is the overview of business warehouse. Here, what is business warehouse? SAP Business Warehouse is a data warehouse system with optimized data structures for reporting and analysis. And SAP Business Warehouse is the strategic system for whole data. Here, one strategy is maintained for the business warehouse data. Provides central tool for data warehouse tasks like modeling and monitoring and scheduling. And the business warehouse provides a different ways of information broadcasting functionalities like email, SAP Enterprise Portal. Like this, the business warehouse, it works like a strategic system by using a central tool. Here, the business warehouse landscape. It is having three layers. One is source system, and the source system which gives the what type of source and which sources we are utilizing. And the second one is business warehouse production system. It gives the brief analysis about what production and how much production is done. And the third one is reporting layer. The reporting layer which gives a brief information to the business explorer to give a brief idea about the business warehouse life cycle. In this business warehouse life cycle, the administration workbench is there. Three cycles are there. The first one is modeling, and second one is scheduling, and third one is monitoring. In this modeling, the designing will be done. The business warehouse designing, how to design and what is the design analysis, all these things are come in this modeling section. And the maintenance, how to maintain this section. And the administration for look for the maintenance and designing structure, and they will guide how to do the work in a progressive and a well accurate manner. The scheduling. In this scheduling, there is having two things: scheduling data transfer and loading data. Here, how the data will transfer in a proper manner and how the data will load into the system. And the third one is monitoring. The monitoring itself, it is indicating that a proper way of looking and a proper way of searching for the things without having any mistakes. Here the monitoring data loading process and monitoring update process. The loading process. Whenever we are loading the data, continuously monitoring without having any errors and without having any mistakes, and monitoring the update process. Here your updation will be done in a clear cut manner. And further, it is in reporting section. In this reporting, you are having mainly have 7 things. The first one is business explorer and business analyzer. Third one is variables. Fourth one is properties of key features and characteristics of business warehouse. And fifth one is conditions. Sixth one is exceptions. And seventh one is query properties. Here the basics of business warehouse. Here it is having data from SAP or/3 and info objects and info providers. And business warehouse query designer. The design report is given by analyzers to a customers. Here the data from SAP or/3, the master data on transaction data, and R3 field from relevant tables. In info objects there is having the characteristics of info objects and a master data, key figures info objects, and transactional data. Info providers gives the info cubes and ODS and info object multi providers. This section is forwarded to the business warehouse query designers. In this business warehouse query designers, it is having the basic reporting elements and rows, characteristics of info objects and columns, key figures and key features, and info objects appropriate data form, and the business warehouse or 3 section, the selection criteria, variables and other analysis. Here all this analyzing is given to the customers for the well-fledged manner.